Hi, this is a quick lesson on how to make the palm leaves for our Palm Sunday processional, which is coming up this Sunday. You'll need a piece of paper and some scissors and a pen of some sort. You'll fold your paper the long way in half, and then you'll start drawing a leaf, just half of the leaf. You'll start in the folded corner, not in the open corner, and you'll draw out and then back down. So I'm going to do that here, draw that out, and then back down, something like that. And then you just cut along that line. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you take the top of the leaf and you just give it a little bit of a fold down or inward, like that. And then you just keep going back and forth like an accordion and fold another little stripe each time. Away from you, toward you, flip it away from you, toward you, away from you, toward you. So you're starting to have this sort of stair-step accordion situation happening. And you just keep going until you get to the very bottom and you have your leaf. So then what you have looks like some wild stair steps. And when you open it up, you have a beautiful leaf for waving. If you want, you can cut little sections of each band out and it gets more feathery, looking more like an actual palm. But this works fine as well. Hope to see you Sunday with your palm leaves. Bye.